Getting a flat tire can be a real hassle, but the XUV700 with its tire pressure monitoring system will alert you immediately as the tire starts losing pressure. In case you aren't able to find a puncture repair shop immediately, here is what you can do. First, park the vehicle on a flat surface out of the way of traffic and turn on hazard lamps. Retrieve the toolkit from the boot and set up the warning triangle and keep it at a safe distance from your car to caution oncoming traffic. With the help of this wheel spanner, loosen the wheel bolts of the flat tire first. Now, you can lower the spare from the mount by unfastening the nut counterclockwise. Be careful while dismounting the spare to avoid any possible injury. Carry the spare wheel and place it near the flat tire. Place the jack under the body on a flat surface and use the tummy to raise the jack till it is loaded with the car. Once secure, raise the car to a height where you can see the flat wheel completely off the ground. Now, using the wheel spanner, remove the wheel bolts. Dismount the flat tire and mount the spare wheel immediately. Tighten the wheel bolts with the V-shaped side inwards. Once the wheel is sufficiently secured, start lowering the jack. Once the vehicle is on all four wheels again, use the wheel spanner to tighten the wheel bolt. Securely mount the flat tire on the spare wheel mount and turn the nut clockwise to raise it back to its mount. Securely replace the tools in the organizer kit. Stop at the nearest tire shop to get the flat tire fixed and replaced back on the car if needed.